I keep coming back because of the beauty, because of the joy that it brings in to my heart and just opens up my heart. I come back for the community, the baths, not having to cook and the food. But there's something that lures me to know more about what I can do, what I can bring out of myself, and what I can then give to my community. I took Qigong here in 2010, and I had an ineffable, undescribable, I'm still processing experience in the big yurt with Qigong alchemy. And I walked out of the class after we had done a closing circle, passing the energy, feeling the energy of the partner next to us. And I had that Star Wars hyperspace, like, and I was out of my body and I was all in everything. And every time I even try to describe it, I can't put words to it. This was the most profound transformation that I've ever experienced. I'm still finding the words and trying to cognitively grasp and what that did in my life. Human potential might be, if we are willing to dig deep and bring it out, might be what saves us. Because right now, I feel like we're letting the technology and the science and all of that run light years ahead of our human development. You know, the world is the maps and the borders and the different nationalities, but the earth is one. And we're not thinking of ourselves as one. We're not thinking of ourselves compassionately. We're not thinking of ourselves in a way that could really save the earth and help her thrive.